Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to invite friends in League of Legends. First, open your game client and locate the social panel on the right side. You will see a plus icon next to your friends list. Click this icon to begin adding a new friend. Carefully type your friend's complete Riot ID, including their unique 3 to 5 character tagline. Then, simply send the friend request and wait for them to accept it. Once a friend sends you a request, you will see a notification in your social panel. This panel is typically on the right side of your client. Look for a small number indicating pending requests. Click on the notification to view the request. You can then choose to accept it by clicking the green checkmark or decline it with the red X. Accepting adds them to your friends list. After adding friends, inviting them to a game is straightforward. First, create a new game lobby from the main client screen, selecting your desired game mode. Next, open your social panel and locate your friend's name in your friends list. Click the small plus icon that appears next to their name. This action sends an immediate invitation to your friend, allowing them to join your game lobby. If you encounter issues, first double-check the spelling of your friend's Riot ID and tagline. Even one incorrect character prevents the request. Also, confirm that both of you are playing on the same game server region, as cross-region invites are not possible. If problems persist, try restarting your League of Legends client. Sometimes a quick restart resolves minor connection glitches, ensuring smooth friend invitations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.